and let's see what Tack Renata from FHIA has for us today.
I'm Tack Renata with FHIA, and when we met with these homeowners, their biggest concern was changing out these windows because they were tired of putting up their paneled shutters. They lived here for over 20 years, and over the last several years, it seemed like they're putting up the shutters more and more often. So we looked at so many different options from a few different manufacturers. They ultimately decided on a great window from Custom Window Systems. And the fact that the window had a great hurricane glass breakage warranty was really important to them because they really didn't want to put up these shutters. They're never going to have to do anything again. They can get rid of those shutters and feel really safe and secure behind these new windows. In doing this project and consulting with them initially, they wanted to get rid of the shutters, but they also really wanted to change out this door. It didn't open and close properly. It had been here. It was the original door that was put in when the house was built. It was giving them a lot of trouble and made it difficult for them to get out to their patio in their backyard. So not only did we want to upgrade the hurricane protection, but they really wanted something that would be a lot easier for them to open and close. So we decided to go with a product from PGT that's going to give them exactly what they wanted with the hurricane protection, and it's also going to open and close real easily for them. So I know they made a great decision. I'm anxious to see how everything finishes up. The biggest reason for this family to change out their windows was they were tired of putting up the panel shutters, and they're never going to have to do that again. They made a great decision with new hurricane windows, and the sliding glass door turned out perfectly. But it also really transformed the look of the house. It looks really good. We got rid of the old original windows that were difficult to open, difficult to close, and it cosmetically changes the whole appearance of the home. So not only do they love the hurricane protection they have, and they're going to feel a lot safer this season, but they really love the transformation it made to the home. So they're really happy with how everything turned out. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.